This is the afternoon weather briefing. This is for Thursday, the 5th of December. This is James Spann. Tonight will be, we believe, the coldest night so far this season, a hard freeze for most of the state, and then some really good rain possibly in here, most likely by early next week. A lot to talk about today. Here's the upper air look, and that trough is sharpening up again over the eastern U.S., and again, that new surge of cold air is rolling into North Alabama as we speak. The northern counties of the state have cleared out. The sky is sunny. Still lingering clouds for South Alabama this afternoon. Underneath those clouds, still a few little sprinkles of rain in that broad zone from Mobile back over toward Atmore and Bruton and Andalusia. But for most of the state, it's dry and will be dry tonight. And yeah, here comes that colder air. Look at Cullman, 43. A very stiff north wind to make it feel colder, despite the fact that it's sunny. 44 for Haleyville. 47 for Center. But down in South Alabama, Dothan at 64, Mobile 54 in advance of the front. But again, everybody will be in that colder air by daybreak tomorrow morning. Here's the watch warning map around the nation today. We've got wind advisories from the mountains of North Carolina up into parts of New England. Winter storm warnings in effect continue for parts of the Great Lakes in the northeast United States. Maybe some thunder through tonight for the areas around El Paso, Texas. No severe storms expected. Same thing tomorrow. And on Saturday, maybe some thunder for parts of Texas, but again, no severe storms expected. Rain, hey, we might get some beneficial rain in here early next week. This is the rain valid through Thursday morning of next week, and you can see for a pretty good chunk of the state here, rain amounts in the 2 to 3 inch range, and maybe even amounts in excess of 4 inches for parts of South Alabama. The areas in yellow on that map. And the rain will likely begin late Sunday. We'll see multiple waves of rain late Sunday all the way through Wednesday of next week. And that's rain we could use because this is the brand new drought monitor. This product is released every week, once a week, every Thursday morning, and this was released earlier today. And you can see that about 70% of the state still in drought conditions. So bring it on. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 4. Cold trough over the eastern states. Big ridge pumped up in the west, and again, it's going to be cold and dry. Let's look at the lows tomorrow morning. This is coming off the high-resolution HER. These would be temperatures at 6 a.m. And you can see 18 for the Shoals, 19 for Huntsville, 18 for Decatur. You got 22 at Birmingham, 28 for Montgomery. Gulf Shores at 34, but I firmly believe there could be a freeze all the way down to the beaches tomorrow morning. But remember, there's still going to be some wind. These are the wind chill indices tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock. It will feel like 8 in Huntsville. It will feel like 8 in Cullman. It will feel like 14 in Birmingham. Ouch. But again, during the day, we'll see highs in the 40s for most of the state, maybe upper 30s for the Tennessee Valley, but the sky will be sunny. This is Saturday, partly to mostly sunny, and again, Saturday morning will be below freezing. Most spots start the day in the 20s. High Saturday afternoon in the 50s as a warming trend begins. And then Sunday, clouds will increase and rain could begin Sunday afternoon over parts of North and West Alabama, especially in areas north and west of Birmingham. And the high Sunday should be in the 50s. And then on Monday, we'll see periods of rain. We'll be up in the 60s, mid-60s for most spots. Same thing on Tuesday. Cloudy, occasional rain, highs in the 60s. And on Wednesday, still a chance of rain. Might be the better chance of rain Wednesday during the morning hours. And notice colder air begins to fill in Wednesday, that 540 thickness line down into the Tennessee Valley. Highs could drop back in the 40s on Wednesday for the northern part of the state. But again, there's pretty good evidence in that stretch from late Sunday through Wednesday morning. Rain amounts for much of Alabama between 2 and 3 inches. We'll take that. This is a week from today. This is Thursday, December 12th. Got a cold vortex over eastern Canada, and we're dry with highs in the 50s and lows below freezing. Let's keep going. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, December 15th. And that's kind of a different look. Now we have a trough in the west and a ridge in the east. And if this is right, we're cool and dry. Temperature should be pretty seasonal with that look. Rain for Birmingham coming off the European ensemble. The mean a little under 2 inches. The European not as aggressive as the American GFS and some of the other global models. But hey, we'll take 2 inches. Again, that's between now and the 20th of December. Temperatures coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. For Birmingham, your number could vary. 43 for the high tomorrow after a morning low of 21. And again, a lot of folks north of Birmingham will be in the teens, and the wind chill index will be lower. Back in the 50s on Saturday and Sunday. Look at those mid-60s Monday and Tuesday with rain likely both days. And then highs drop back down in the upper 40s by Wednesday and Thursday of next week. And looky here. Latest long-range guidance. This is the 8 to 14-day guidance for December 13th through December 19th. And with the pattern flip, if this works out, temperatures could be above average as we approach Christmas. This stuff comes and goes. We all know that. It all depends on how the waves configure. But for the moment, it could be fairly comfortable out there toward mid-December. All right, let's roll some Children's of Alabama Kid Cam. The Plainview Bears, Rainsville, Alabama. DeKalb County, we had a great time today. Got a gym full of kids. We talked about the science of meteorology. I like it when I got a gym full like that. Look at the cake. Yes, indeed. I like that a lot. But we did some storm spotting. Hey, we need more storm spotters in the state. Did some information about tornadoes, hurricanes, winter storms, and much more. That's a great school, great teachers. So again, to all those amazing students at Plainview High School in Rainsville, thanks a lot for a great visit earlier today. You guys are looking good. All right, so tomorrow going to be up in Marion County at Brilliant Elementary School. And then after that, I've got a program for our winners of the Teacher of the Month. Drummond Company is the sponsor of that. They'll be here for a banquet. Looking forward to seeing them. Tomorrow night, I'll be live at the Walmart on Highway 150 in Hoover. We kick off the annual Toys for Tots drive. And we'll need your help. A new unwrapped toy. You can, of course, drop those off at any of the drop-off locations. That's on the 3340 website. And then Saturday, it's a book signing. We are coming to Jasper, Walker County. We'll be at Lavish Coffee Bar from 10 a.m. until 1 p.m., 10 to 1 on Saturday. And hey, 'tis the season. You know you got somebody in your family that needs a good Christmas gift for weather lovers, weather dweebs, nerds, dorks, weenies. Come see us, all the cool Crest Publishers shirts. There's some good stuff. They got some great shirts and, of course, our children's books. They're really good. The book I wrote about April 27, 2011, All You Can Do Is Pray, Weathering Life, My Story. It'll be a great day. We take a lot of pictures, have a lot of fun. So, again, come to see us at the Lavish Coffee Bar in Jasper, Saturday from 10 to 1. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on TV this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.